fireworks. One morning, the alarm system came on. Everybody yawned. Today is Saturday and we get to go look at the fireworks, said Hero. Oh, yes, I love fireworks days on Saturdays. Hooray, yippee, yippee, said Lady. Oh, I love the cotton candy and the ice cream and the chocolate and the candy. Ooh. Well, they waited and waited for the night. It's taking forever, said Thomas. It sure is. It's nap time already. So they fell asleep. And then soon it was nighttime and all of them awake. Hooray! It's nighttime. It's fireworks time. Hooray! And all the fireworks went boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Everybody was happy. Boom, 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 boom. This sure is a happy day, said Emily. Oh, boom, boom. And they all had a happy ending. Boom. The end.